Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. So today I'm checking out the GSTORY wireless game controller for Nintendo Switch. Now I've done another unboxing and I believe another review of a GSTORY product here for Nintendo Switch as well. This is just a brand new controller. Just overall looks pretty cool. It says compatible with Switch, also supports Windows PC, one key connecting method, captures game screenshots, and it says you can even play with charging while charging, and it has a 380 milliamp polymer lithium battery. So pretty cool. Also supports motion sensing, double shock, and turbo function. So a lot of pretty cool stuff for around $20 or so if you're looking to upgrade to a new controller or an additional controller for your Nintendo Switch. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what's in the box. Pretty nice looking box just in general here. Got the Nintendo Switch colors, which is really kind of cool. And I will say with the other controller, very happy with it. It was easy to connect. You got your little getting started guides, little manual there. It's always good to have. Nice and helpful. Nothing else in the box right there. So we have a little USB charger, so that looks like USB-C. So if you have any other USB-C devices or USB-C cables, you can easily charge it with that. Then in the box here, we have the controller. Feels and looks a lot like an Xbox controller, or old school one. I have no idea what the new one looks like. The son plays it, but really nicely constructed. Fits the hands well. And it is a little clear. I'm not sure if you can see that there, but you can kind of see the components inside, which is kind of cool. And then you have your R2, L2, L1, L2, and all the different functions here, from volume, or plus minus looks like, take a screenshot, turbo, I guess that is, home screen, and it also shows your levels for, I'm going to guess battery power. So overall looks kind of cool. That's where USB will go in to charge the battery. Does not look like there is an easy way if you were needing to replace that battery, but overall, it should last a long time. So it says the input DC is 5 volts, 500 milliamps, so that's going to charge that battery, that 380 milliamp lithium battery. It should get a good amount of time for play with that. So overall, a nice looking and feeling controller. Has it's not rubber grips, but it does have some grip feel to it, and a nice little design. So that's the GSTORY game controller for Nintendo Switch. Again, sells for around $20 or so. You can see it in the link below, so if you're interested in picking that up, you can do that there, as well as just make sure to look for the demo and review of this controller, which will be coming soon. So just click that little bell icon below on the channel here. You'll get notified when we post new videos, and you'll get to see that. And again, if you're looking for a new controller, this may be it. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here, and we'll see you soon.